Hi, good morning, all PH Action Team leaders. Good morning, Maganda Umaga. Aku si Paul. Nice to meet you. I want to share one training topic today. The training topic is why people they don't do Amway. Okay, I need try to find a place parking. Okay, why people they don't do Amway. Okay. Okay, I'm parking here. Wow, it's great. Okay. Because if I'm driving, then I'm talking, it's a little bit dangerous. So that's why I find a place. So I do Amway almost 20 years. I always research why people they don't do Amway. Finally, I got a little bit answer. You want to know? Okay, let me share to you. So in the beginning, of course, if you don't know Amway, of course, you don't believe Amway because you don't have information. You don't understand what is Amway. But even a little bit, you get information from Amway. You know the Amway background, you know the Amway products, you know the Amway marketing plan, and you also see many proven examples. People through Amway business, step by step, achieve their dream, their goal, even become rich. So Amway is a revolution from poor become rich. But why? Still, even we understand Amway is good, but why still some people they don't do Amway? The first one I want to share for my personal research is, first one, people fear to change. Fear to change. You know, we always stay in a comfortable room. We always follow our traditional way. Because we always follow this way. If you want to change your thinking habit, not too easy. You fear, because people fear to change. Me too. In the beginning, when I made Amway, I think Amway is good. I think about I can try, but I'm afraid. I'm afraid my friend maybe think about I'm crazy guy. I'm afraid when I do Amway, maybe I will lose my friend. I'm afraid when I quit my job, focus Amway, maybe I earn nothing. So people fear to change. But if you don't change, you can imagine you do the same thing, every day do the same job, do the same thing. Of course, you will get the same result. It means even you continue to do the same things after 10 or 20 years, your lifestyle never change. So that's why I always make joke. So why from TV come to our center? Try to move your position in from TV, go to our training center. But not too easy. Why? Because people fear to change. The second is why I think about people don't do Amway. Afraid to be cheated. Afraid to be cheated. Yes, especially in Philippines, have a lot networking pyramid. So people believe finally lose money, lose friend. So people afraid to be cheated. So that's why they don't believe, even don't believe Amway. But you know, Amway is really too good and it's too true. So a lot of people they don't understand Amway. That's why they're afraid, because they afraid to be cheated. So I think about understand Amway is a process. I never think about one time I can make people understand whole Amway. So based on the last time Mr. Fu do the special training in Dusit Hotel, Mr. Fu share one information to everybody is very important. He shared based on the global research, if sales want to selling products to people in the first time and the second time, even third times, only 5% people will buy product from you. So if you do one time, two times, three times, in fact only 5% can success. It means many people will reject you, refuse you, if you only try 3 times. But based on the global research is, if you can continue 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, till 7 times or 10 times, almost 80% above your customer will buy product from you. So again, if you can continue 8 times above, 80% your customer will say yes. So based on this kind of global research, we got very simple idea. You need try again. So in Amway, we just mentioned about, we call this is a follow-up. So you first time share your Amway to your friend, maybe it's a marketing plan, maybe it's a demonstration. Somebody say no, somebody say yes. Even say yes, sign up, congratulations. But you know, even sign up, sometimes still sleep. Because people feeling well, exciting and sign up. But if they don't continue attend the training in the meeting, they don't see the Amway information, inside their heart, still 2 things. Did you remember? Fear to change and afraid to be cheated. Even sign up, but why they don't action? Because fear to change and afraid to be cheated. Sometimes they don't believe themselves also, even they understand Amway is good. So based on Mr. Fu sharing, if you can continue follow up 8 times above, usually 80% your customer will buy products. 80% your ABOs will continue become active. So you can see what I do. When my downline in Taiwan, in Philippines, in all the global, they sign up, I know this is a good beginning. They make decision, they want to try Amway. But based on my research, they still fear to change, afraid to be cheated. So that's why I need keep going, follow up. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 1 year, 2 years, even 10 years. This is a human nature, including me. When I meet Amway, even my girlfriend at that time shared Amway to me. Now the girlfriend is my wife. Even we get married together, I support my wife to Amway, but I don't do Amway. Even me. Why I don't do Amway? I think about Amway is good. Okay, you do. I don't do. You do. In fact, in my heart, I'm not really 100% beating Amway. Even my wife do Amway. You see? I'm human, so human nature. So now I hope you understand Amway is a really fantastic business. So if you can continue follow up your ABOs or your customer, don't give up too earlier. Continue follow up 8 times above. then usually you will get a wonderful result. So this is a human nature. So if you think about Amway is so difficult, but I can tell you, if you understand the sum formula, you will know Amway also is easier. So the point is, people, they don't understand this formula. They don't keep going. When people sign up exciting, they don't have knowledge, they don't have skill, they don't have concept, they don't have attitude. They just think about, I just sharing Amway, I just do Amway, and the actions. But if you cannot see the wonderful result immediately, then everybody, especially your new baby, will quick in Amway as soon as possible. Why? Because they don't have skill, they don't have knowledge, they don't have concept. So I hope everybody, you understand today why people don't do Amway. Again, I repeat, the first one is a fear to change. The second one is afraid to be cheated. So if we can continue sharing, follow up from 1 time, 2 times, till 8 times above, 80% your customer will buy products, will believe products, even try Amway business. So this very simple formula, if you know that, don't feel sad if you cannot see every year actions, cannot see the results immediately. Don't feel sad. You just keep going. Okay? Believe and keep going. Don't worry. I will continue company with you. I will continue support you. When you company with me, see how I do Amway. I never change. Always very simple. But I know people don't believe me. Even they don't believe themselves. So I just keep going till my friends, my downlines, my customer believe Amway. So I already have many experience over 20 years in Taiwan. I have a lot of customers. Of course, in the beginning they reject me, they refuse me too. Okay, this is my sharing today. I hope you learned something.